In this lecture, we are going to talk about the ISO IEC Guide 51 safety aspects. We have just talked about ISO, and so here we will just explain what the IEC organization is. We will then talk about the intended audience and objectives for the documents, and then the 4 areas to consider and remember for the AIGP exam. IEC stands for International Electrotechnical Commission. This is also an international standards organization. They prepare and publish standards for all electrical and electronic technologies, and they are headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. The audience for this document is individuals and organizations that draft standards, which is pretty straightforward. The objective of Guide 51 safety aspects is to reduce risk in the design, production, distribution, use, and destruction or disposal of any products, and to achieve tolerable risk. There are 4 areas to consider, and I know this is a really heavy lift. This is all you need to remember for this particular document for the exam. 4 areas to consider: basic safety, group safety, product safety, and standards containing safety aspects. So as far as what to remember, I would definitely commit these 4 areas to memory, and then remember that the ISO/IEC Guide 51 safety aspects focuses on safety. In this lecture, we went over the ISO IEC Guide 51 Safety Aspects document. IEC stands for International Electrotechnical Commission. This is an international standards organization that prepares and publishes standards for all electrical and electronic technologies. The audience for this document is individuals and organizations that draft standards. The objective is to reduce risk. And the 4 areas that you need to consider and remember for the exam are basic safety, group safety, product safety, and standards containing safety aspects.